So this is a little demonstration of the Fortin 33 pedal. Got another camera just on the pedal so that way you can actually see where I'm moving the knob in relation to the sound. So I pulled out the 7-string because it's kind of more geared towards flubby, weird guitar vocabulary. Flubby, just kind of like too boomy, kind of a bass, and where the Fortin 33 excels at is basically tightening up that low end, probably too much. And that's kind of what I was running into why I'm getting rid of it, is because I don't really have a place for it in what I do, I guess, and how it sounds. It's kind of cool. When you crank it all the way up, it does get really, really noisy. So if you don't have the noise gate engaged, there's a lot of feedback. So I'll go ahead and just kind of give you an idea of what it sounds right now. And let's do that. This is no nothing, just noise gate is activated. There's nothing too crazy going on. Sounds good. Just a basic thing. I'm not going to do anything too crazy here, so I'll go ahead and engage it just so you can kind of hear the difference. And that's where, so you can see how much it tightens up. I'll just go on the low A. And then I'll turn it off just so you can hear the difference. You can hear quite a bit. And the Dover is really, really geared towards that mid and treble. I have it set, mids are about like 6.5 till 1 o'clock. Trebles almost at noon. Bass is pushed pretty high on this. So is the presence and stuff. But the Dover is a very trebly kind of mid amp. So for this, it's just overkill. So I'll bring it up, I'll bring up the 33 to like noon, straight up and down kind of thing. So I'll turn it on, go all the way up, just to give you an idea. Using the 7-string will give you a good idea. I'll turn it off so you can get an idea. So it's great if you got a baritone or an 8-string. If you got an 8-string, pretty much could be money for you. This is the only 7-string I have, so it's kind of, I don't really need it. So yeah, that's pretty much it.